English teacher. I will be going to take English and social for your class. Okay, today I am going to teach you English lesson. First lesson, a bottle of dew. A bottle of dew. This was the story of one person who dreams all the time. He will be dreaming to become rich without doing any work. So he wanted to prepare one potion. Potion means a drink that has magical powers. He will be always dreaming about that thing. So this story I will be narrating you afterwards, and this story was written by author Sudha Murthy. The story was written by author Sudha Murthy. She is a famous writer and she got Padma Shri award also for her novels and the stories. Okay, before going to the lesson, before I could narrate the story to you, I want to give you the hard words. Hard words means some meanings of the words you should know, no? So, first one, dew. Dew means, you know children, that water drops in winter, they fall on the leaves, no? That is called dew. See, dew. Small drops of water gathered on leaves in winter. Once again, dew. Small drops of water gathered on leaves in winter. Then potion. Potion, I told you that fellow, he wants to prepare one potion. What is potion? It is a drink that is supposed to have magical powers. Magical powers means you might have watched in some movies and serials, no? If they pour that water on that will become gold like that. So the fellow was trying to make that potion. Potion means a drink that is supposed to have magical powers. Next one, pauper. Pauper means a very poor person. A very poor person means who doesn't have anything is called a pauper. Next one, sage. Sage you may be knowing, no? In Telugu they say sadhu. They will be roaming. So that fellow, those people will be very wise. In this story, sage meaning is a very wise person. Next one, tend. Tend means something or someone you look after. You will be looking after, no? Some you will be having some pets also, no? Like that only some people will be interested in gardening. They will plant the plants and they will grow. They will be watering and doing all the things. So tend. Tend means something or someone you look after. Okay. These are the meanings of the words which this lesson contains. When I am narrating the story to you, you please read the textbook also. You keep the textbook with you when you see the video. And when you see the video, see the words also. When I am telling the story, these words will be coming in the story. So you should know the meaning of the word. Now shall we start the story?
Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him tracts of land when he died. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. This was because he had a funny idea that there exists a magic potion which, if touched to any object, turns it into gold. He spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. People cheated him often, promising to tell him about it. But he did not give up. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramanatha was spending. She was sure that soon they would be left paupers. One day, a famous sage called Mahipati came to their town. Ramanatha became his follower and asked him about the potion. To his surprise, the sage answered, "Yes, in my travels in the Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion, but it is a difficult process." "Tell me," insisted Ramanatha, not believing his luck. "You have to plant a banana tree and water it regularly with your own hands. In winter, the morning dew will settle on the leaves. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. I will chant a secret mantra which will turn it into the magic potion. A drop of this potion will transform any object into gold. Ramanatha was worried, but winter is only for a few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. You can plant as many trees as you want, but remember, you must look after them yourself and collect the dew with your own hands. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife, started clearing his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows and rows of banana trees. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them. With great care, his wife helped him too. Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it. Over the years, Ramanatha planted more and more trees and they had a huge banana plantation. At the end of 6 years, he finally had 5 liters of dew. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. The sage smiled and muttered a mantra over the water. Then he returned the bottle and said, "Try it out." Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops of dew on the copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. To his dismay, nothing happened. "This is cheating," he said to the sage. "I have wasted 6 precious years of my life." But sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. She came with a big box. When she opened it, inside glinted stacks of gold coins. Now the sage turned to the astonished Ramanatha and said, "There is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. While you looked after the trees, your wife sold the fruit in the market. That's how you got this money. It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. If I had told you about this earlier, you would not have listened to me. So I played a trick on you." Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on.
How was the story, children? I think you all enjoyed the story. It's very nice, no? Yes. See, when we are lazy and when we doesn't want to do any work, we will not earn anything. When we do hard work, then only we can reap the hard work's yield. So everybody should be very active and you have to do the hard work. Children, you have to watch the video and after watching the video, you should once again go through the lesson. Read the textbook with all the meanings. Okay, children. After that, I will be sending the classwork notes. You copy it neatly with one finger distance. Each word should have space between each letter. Give finger space between each word and write in cursive handwriting. Okay, children. God bless you.